Hi! In front of me is OPPO FIND X5 LITE, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, just go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then click on About Device under System Settings. Then choose device name and type in wherever you wish to. I will go with blue. When you're ready, you need to choose Save at the bottom right corner here. And as you can see, after that, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!